In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can enhance the quality of your videos on Capcut. Whether you're using a computer, laptop, or phone, these steps are applicable. Begin by launching the Capcut application on your device. If you're starting a new project, do so. Otherwise, select an existing project from your list. Once your project is loaded, press Ctrl+A to select all elements, then navigate to the Modify option. Ensure that the resolution is set to 1080p 1920x1080. Save your settings. Next, click on the Export button. Confirm that the resolution is set to at least 1080p for optimal quality. Optionally, you can choose 4K resolution for the highest quality, but be aware that rendering may take longer. If you opt for 4K resolution, ensure that your device has sufficient power to handle the rendering process effectively. Once you've made your selections, proceed with exporting your video. This process may take some time, especially if you've chosen 4K resolution. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the quality of your videos on Capcut. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Peace out.